Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Let's make bread rolls today. Simple recipe, great taste and a filling snack. The best part is the surprise inside. Remember to subscribe to my channel for interesting and easy recipes. We will require boiled and grated potatoes, slices of bread, chopped coriander leaves, finely chopped garlic and green chili, coriander powder, kitchen king powder, you could use garam masala powder instead, salt, white pepper powder and some boiled or frozen peas, finely chopped onion, finely chopped capsicum and finely chopped cabbage. For the stuffing at the center, I am using some hot dogs which I have slit and cut into smaller pieces and hard boiled eggs which I have halved. You could use sausage instead. The vegetarian options, you could use paneer or tofu or even cheese cut into rectangular pieces like this one. Some light or dark soy sauce, some tomato sauce. Heat some oil in a pan. Add in the onions and the capsicum. Add in a pinch of salt. That will help to soften up the onions and the capsicum. The onions have turned light pink in color, so I'll add in the cabbage, the garlic and the chopped chilies. That looks cooked. Time to add in the peas. I'll just crush them with my hand slightly and add them in. You could add in peanuts or cashew nuts instead of the peas or along with the peas. Add in the chopped coriander leaves, some tomato ketchup, soy sauce. If you have a recipe request, do write in the comment section. Add in the spices, salt and pepper. Cook this for about a minute. The oil has started separating. Let's add in the potatoes. I'm doing a large batch today. Expecting some hungry kids soon. That looks well combined. Just check the seasoning at this point. Bit more salt. That tastes really good. Nice and spicy. That's done. Turn off the heat. Take it out onto a plate and let it cool. That would make a nice filling for samosas too. Let us remove the sides of the bread. Once the potato mixture has cooled down to room temperature, we'll start building the roll. I'll just check the size of the center filling and I think I might just trim it a little bit, maybe that much. That should be a good size. Let's make balls out of the potato filling. Flatten it slightly in your palm. Add in the central filling. Close it back up. Use a bit more filling to cover any portion that is exposed of the central filling. And keep it aside. Similarly, build the rest of the fillings. I will cut the egg into quarters. So half of the half egg. Take some water in a shallow dish. Take a slice of bread. Dip it on both sides. Take it out. Press gently to get all the water out of the piece of bread. It will also become nice and flat. Place it right in the center. Close it from all the four corners. And form the bread roll. That looks good. Keep it aside. Get on with the next one. Once they are done, put them in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. Heat some oil in a pan. Fry the bread rolls. Fry as many as you want at a time. You can keep the rest in an airtight box in the fridge and fry them later or even the next day. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. Keep turning them as you fry. They have become crispy on the outside and have got a nice color on them. Let's just take them out and drain them on absorbent paper. Fry the rest. These are done too. Finally, the bread rolls are ready to be served. Add some tomato ketchup and onion rings or salad on the side, and happy snacking.